Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss set operations for overlapping sets. See, when we will say we will have overlapping sets, first we'll go with Venn diagram. I'm having a team, cricket team. Okay. See here, I'm having players who can do batting alone and said to be players who are bowlers. Okay. Those and all who can bat, that region A will draw with horizontal lines. And B, those who can bowl will take blue lines. And the two vertical lines I'm taking. Okay. So here is set A means that horizontal lines means the players who can bat. Okay, they are present in this region and here in common region also they are present. B means the players who can do bowling. Okay, here see. A union B. See, A union B means either in A or in B. Both horizontal and vertical lines. Even this, the players who will play both batting and bowling also will come. A intersection B, if we say, means only common players. That is the mesh part, horizontal and vertical lines where it will intersect. This region is this region, the mesh part. See where the players will be all rounders. Will do batting as well as bowling also. If we say A minus B, only horizontal lines. B minus A means only vertical lines. That means elements in B but not in A. Elements in A but not in B. In general, A minus B, here one note, A minus B and B minus A are not equal unless A and B are equal. Okay. We discussed briefly using Venn diagram. Now we'll go for numerical example. Then it will be more clear. Okay, let A denotes X is multiple of 2 I will take. Multiple of 2 and up to 15 like that we'll take. Less than 16 also you can write. And B is another set X such that X is multiple of 3, same, up to 15. Here what and all will come? Multiples of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I can't go more than that because I want less than 50. Multiples of 3 now. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, up to 15 only, no? These are the multiples. Now see, we'll discuss all side by Venn diagram. Okay. First, universal set not required. Set A, set B. We'll use colors. Multiples of 2. Okay, here see what common elements you check first, that is better. A intersection B. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. What are the common elements? We are having, yes, 6 is there and 12 is there. Okay, 6 and 12. They are the multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, so common elements we'll write first. 6, 12. Now here, 1 minute. This region will contains factors of 2 only, that are factors of 2 but not 3. 2, 4, 8, 10 and 14. Okay, next this side the factors of 3 only, factors of 3 but not 2. 3, 9, 15. Okay, so now we can define all set operations. No, we did. Next, see, we'll write A union B, everything we'll write. A union B. Okay, before writing that, number of A union B means either in A multiple of 2 only and multiple of 3 only, or multiple of 2 and 3. Both them also you can consider. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. So here see, we'll count. Before that, A minus B, everything will finish. Elements in A only. Thus, they are 2, 4, 8, 10, 14. You can write definition also. Element X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Here X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Factors of 3 but not 2. 3, 9, 15. Here we can deduce one important formula. How we can deduce means, here see, number of elements in A is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements are there. Number of elements in B, 5 elements are there. See, 5 multiples up to 15. If you add n of A plus n of B, we will get A union B or not, we'll check. Intersection, only 2 common elements are there. A union B, how many elements are there, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you are adding number of elements in A and number of elements in B, we are not getting n of A union B. Okay, they are not disjoint sets, no? So what we have to do? Here 6 and 12 are counted in both the sets. Twice they have counted. So we have to reduce number of elements in A intersection B. Then what we are going to get, we'll see. 7 plus 5 minus 2. 12 minus 2, that is 10. So that is nothing but number of elements in A union B. This is an important formula. For all word problems, we can use number of elements in A union B is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. This formula we can use and we can solve any word problems. How we will get number of elements in A minus B? We have to reduce C from Let's see here. Number of elements in A minus B. From number of elements in A, that is 7, you have to reduce this common elements. 5 will get C. Similarly, B minus A. From number of elements in B, that is 5. From 5, you have to reduce that common elements to 3 will be there. 3. Only 3 multiples are there. This will help you solve word problems. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.